Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about the Stone Age, which is for class 5 social studies, chapter number 2. In this chapter we are going to learn about how people developed into various different stages and into a different formations or different changes that were seen in their lifestyle. People were considered that earlier they used to roam from one place to another, bringing about lot of changes, and in this part, this particular Stone Age, as you see here, it is categorized into 3 important parts or 3 important classification. Number 1, it is about the Paleolithic Age, or which is also known as the Stone Age. Now in this particular age, people were seen that they used to roam from one place to another, and they used to do hunting and gathering to sustain their lives. They did not have any particular place to settle down. They had no idea about it. They used to eat raw materials, most probably whatever they got from the nature, and they used to live their lives. Now as the days passed by, they developed into various different changes, and on that basis the third classification is known as Mesolithic Age, which was known as the Middle Stone Age. Now in this Middle Stone Age, there are various changes that people came across from the Paleolithic Age. Now in this particular age, it was seen that the tools that were used, the stone tools, they were developed into a better tools. There were much variations in the tools that were made. It was smaller, sharper, good to use it, and it was easier for them. And during this period only, it is found that there are various different categories of changes that they had seen. First of all, tools that were used during the Paleolithic Age was different in the Mesolithic Age. It was better. It was a different shape, sizes of different qualities, which helped them in hunting and gathering in a better way. The second change that was seen here was people started farming. Now in earlier times in the Paleolithic Age, it was seen that people did not know how to do farming and all. They only depended upon whatever they got from the nature. Now here they started growing crops and cultivating things, agricultural things, by their own selves. That means what? They started becoming agriculturists or cultivators, so to say. The next is that they started also making important things like pots to store things and all for the future uses. And during this time period, it was also seen that one of the very important thing was developed, that was domestication of animals. Now what do you mean by domestication of animals? Is that the domestic animals were there, like cows, goats, horses. They were kept at home and they were used for various different products. Like cows were kept at home, which were used for getting milk, meat products, and so on. Now on that basis only, it was seen here that there is significant change from Paleolithic Age to Mesolithic Age. Now the third category is about the Neolithic Age, which was also known as the New Stone Age. Now in this New Stone Age, people developed in a better way. Better way in the sense, whatever was there prevailing earlier in the Mesolithic period, the developments that were there in the Mesolithic period was done in a better way in the Neolithic Age. New discoveries were made, new inventions were made, and the agricultural part also was seen to be developed in a better way. Now in this period, the most important significant thing that we can see here, that was the invention of wheel. Now this invention of wheel was started in the Neolithic period, where earlier people used to carry goods and commodities onto their own bodies, weight, or with the help of animals they used to carry from one place to another. Now during the Neolithic period, these particular wheels help them to carry goods from one place to another in an easier way. Now still today in modern times also we have seen the wheels, how wheels are important in various different parts of our lives, which was prevailing from the Neolithic period. So this credit goes to the people who were there during the Neolithic period. Now the next is about the development of villages. Now in the Neolithic period, it was seen that people started settling down in a proper or a civilized way. Now in Mesolithic period, in earlier period, in Mesolithic period, it was seen that people used to still roam from one place to another, or they used to live in caves, small places called as caves. But in Neolithic period, it was different. They started settling down, making a community, a group of people, and slowly and gradually, when people increased, it turned up to be a village system where they had a systematic way, a systematic pattern of staying or getting settled. During this period only, people brought about different kind of occupational system into their lives. Like earlier, they used to hunt, they used to do domestication of animals, or they used to do agricultural work. But during this period, it was seen that people got discovered with various different occupations such as making of ornaments, jewelries, pots, which also brought about a sense of trade and commerce, that is exchange of goods from one person to another. That is, the system of barter started during this period, where goods were exchanged for different kind of goods from one person to another. For example, if a person is making a pot, another person is an agricultural. Now, an agricultural person wants a pot to store agricultural product, and the pot maker or the potter wants some grains or food articles. So what they do is that, getting to know about each other's requirements and needs, they exchange the goods so that their satisfaction or wants can be satisfied. And that is how the barter system started, that is exchange of goods between two different people of same wants. Now in this period, it is also seen that as people developed, new kind of discoveries, new kind of inventions, new kind of developments were seen into their lives. And during this period only, new kind of discoveries were made, inventions were made. The most important invention which was made during this later period of the Neolithic age, which turned out to be called in the later part as Chalcolithic age. Now this Chalcolithic age is very important and significant because various important materials or minerals were discovered from underneath the earth. The most important thing that was iron, the discovery of iron, coal, then the discovery of important minerals like gold, silver, and various different products. Now iron was a very significant and important thing that was discovered. Why? Because earlier tools were stone tools, which while using used to break down or used to break, and they were having little bit hardship in using those things for a longer period of time, which was not strong enough. Now these iron discoveries gave them a very big advantage in regarding to their day-to-day activities. Mostly irons are considered to be very strong. Still now it is used. Now these tools, then they started making tools and weapons out of iron, and this iron brought about lot of different kind of changes into their lives, and discoveries and inventions were made. Now looking to this chapter, we can come across, or we can know or get a knowledge that how during the earlier period, people, they changed from one state to another. That means what? That they started gaining knowledge into their minds. They started coming up with new ideas, new thinkings, new philosophies, which could develop them in a better way. And this is how we can see in modern times also. We can see that due to various changes that we have come across into our lives, we as of now have seen modern type of variations into our lives, having better amenities, better facilities that we use, and we are now found to be a modern civilized category of people. Now in this is all about in this particular chapter. And before ending my talk, I would like to again plead everyone to better stay at home, be protected, and follow the rules and regulations during this period so that we keep ourselves healthy and fit. Thank you very much.